In today's crowded digital space, being seen is hard, but being remembered, that's even harder. If you're a small business struggling to stand out, this video is for you. I am Matt the Strategist, and today I will show you how to define a powerful brand message that speaks to your ideal customers without breaking the bank. Let's talk about your brand message. Your brand message isn't your logo. It is not your tagline. It is the feeling and clarity people get when they hear or see your business. It answers three core questions. Who are you? Who do you serve, and why should they care? Example, PiggyVest didn't try to be just another bank. They positioned themselves as the saving buddy for young Nigerians. That clear message won them a loyal community even on a tight budget. Now, let's make your own brand message stick. Once you have crafted your message, repeat it everywhere. On your Instagram bio, in your WhatsApp status, on your product packaging. Consistency builds familiarity, and familiarity builds trust. Look at Indomie Nigeria, for example. Whether it's a tweet, a billboard, or a jingle, the message is always youthful, fun, and bold. But what if budget is tight? Then focus on high impact, low cost channels. Reels, short form videos, email, newsletters, and your Google My Business profile. These are free but powerful if your message is clear. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel and share this with another small business owner who needs it. And drop your comment below telling me what your brand message is. I will give you a feedback. Next week, I will show you 5 low-cost tactics to boost your visibility online and offline. Don't miss it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.